Hello Miglobar and welcome back y'all. I hope all is well with you guys today. In one of my previous videos I was mentioning that there was a lack of places to get decent roast duck from in Dublin. Having lived in London for so long, I was spoiled for choice. Check that video out if you haven't seen it already. I'll leave a link up there. And now my prayers are being answered because a new restaurant has opened up in Dublin recently, specialising in roast duck. And so for the purposes of research, I thought I'd go and check that restaurant out to see if it meets my expectations. So come on, let's go and check it out. The restaurant is simply called Duck and is located on Face Street. Reading the promotion on the restaurant's website, it said that the two chefs have over 30 years experience in cooking roast duck, and so expectations were high. To get to Vade Street, you can walk down Drury Street, and Vade Street is situated at the end. And this is what the restaurant looks like from the outside. And here is a copy of the menu that's posted on the outside. They specialise in Hong Kong style roast meats such as roast belly pork, soy chicken and obviously roast duck. They also have various starters and sides available such as spring rolls and wonton soup. The drink selection includes various soft drinks and also a good range of bubble tea if there are any bubble tea aficionados out there. And this is what the restaurant looks like on the inside. Oh, look at this. So this is what I brought back. I brought back 2 dishes. This one is the regular size. And this one is the larger size. So I chose to buy a regular size portion and a large size portion to see what the difference in size was. And to be honest, there seemed to be no difference in the portion sizes. You just get different shaped boxes. So my advice to you would be to save yourself a couple of euro and just get the regular size. You can also pay €1 extra and you get a boneless duck, which the box on the right has. Again, I wouldn't advise spending an extra on that, as the bones are easily manageable. And so for the moment of truth, let's see what the duck tastes like. Firstly, let me show you what the duck with the bone left in looks like. And this is what the boneless duck looks like. And they also added some green vegetables between the rice and the duck. Right, let's taste the roast duck. The meat was juicy and flavourful, well worth the value. The duck also came with a couple of dipping sauces. The one on the left is some kind of soy sauce based sauce, and the one on the right is the sweet chili sauce. So my conclusion is that the duck was well cooked, tasty and on point. Check the restaurant out if you're in Dublin. And thanks for watching guys, and see you next time.